Good morning everyone. Come back to our SST chapter 9 India. I hope you all are very much aware of the country in which we live and we belong to. We all are the citizens of India. So, as an Indian, we must be proud of our country, India. So, students, let us learn about our India with much interest and enthusiasm. Students, all of you take your book, page number 78, chapter 9, India. In this chapter, we will learn about the location of India, India's neighbors, political divisions, where the India is located and which are the our neighboring countries of India and the political divisions. So, you see here, do you know children that India is the land of diversity? Yes, it is the land of diversities. Let us look at its unique physical features. From the Himalayas in the north to the peninsular plateau in the south, they look so nice. Okay. There are other maps too. Let us look at them. Look, this map represents the cultural diversity of India. Isn't it wonderful? So, as an Indian, we must be very much proud of our India, because our India practices various type of cultures. So students, see, this is the flow chart of India. Here it is divided into three parts. Where it is located in South Asia and its neighboring countries and political divisions. So first we will see the location of India. 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. It extends from this much 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. It touches all these oceans. Again, we see here the neighboring countries of India. There are 9 neighboring countries of India in the borders of India. So, we will see here. First is Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. And here we will see the political divisions. States and capitals and union territories. Now we will come to the topic location of India. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. As already we have seen in the flow chart of India, that India is located in the southern part of continent of Asia. It is a vast country. It is a very big country. India is not a small country. It is a very big country which stretches 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 3,933 kilometers from east to west. The mighty Himalayas form a natural boundary in the north and separate the country from the rest of Asia. The Himalaya puts a boundary and it separates the country from other countries from Asia. The southern part of India is surrounded by 3 water bodies. So they are the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now we will see here which are the neighboring countries. India and its neighbors. India shares its borders with several countries like Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Nepal, Bhutan and China in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to its south. When we see the map, we will be very clear about all these countries. India is separated from Sri Lanka by a narrow channel of water. Okay, since India is our neighbor, Sri Lanka is our neighboring country of India. It is separated from Sri Lanka through a narrow channel of water. India tries to maintain good relationships with its neighbors, and as we know, the India is very good country and it tries to maintain good relationships, loving relationship with all the neighboring countries. It trades with other countries in goods such as electronic materials, precious stones, petroleum and so on. India sells many products such as different varieties of tea, spices and cotton to other countries as well. Means from other country, India brings or gets precious electronic materials, precious things, precious stones, petroleum and etc. And also India gives to other countries like tea, spices, cotton and many more. So like this way, India and other countries having relationships, and it is very good relationships with India and other countries. Okay. So here we will see the India's neighbors fact file. Now country, flag, currency and capital. Pakistan. Pakistan's flag is, sign of flag is like this. And currency is Pakistani rupee. Capital is Islamabad. Afghanistan. When you see this kind of flag, then you understand this is the flag of Afghanistan. Then currency is Afghani and capital is Kabul. Nepal. Flag of Nepal. Then currency Nepal is rupee and capital is Kathmandu. Bhutan. Flag of Bhutan and currency is Ngultram and capital is Thimphu. China. Flag of China. Currency is renminbi, Chinese yuan. It is also called renminbi is called Chinese yuan, and capital of China is Beijing. Bangladesh. Flag of Bangladesh. Currency is Bangladeshi Taka and the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Myanmar. Flag of Myanmar and the currency of Myanmar is Myanmar Kyat and capital is Nay Tau. Sri Lanka. Flag of Sri Lanka. Currency Sri Lanka rupee. Capital of Sri Lanka Sri Jayawardene Pura Kotte. Maldives. flag of Maldives, currency Maldian rupiah, and capital of Maldives is Malé. So students, here for today we will stop here. All once again go through this lesson once again, and we will continue the rest of the chapters in next class. Thank you.